Hey guys, Melissa here for Stonehouse Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency, using what we have to do what we can right here where we are. And today is What's Up Wednesday. And this is what's been up most of the week. We're working with this little guy, trying to get him housebroken and crate trained, and I'm tired. It's work, but he is worth it, and he's such a cutie. We did get him enrolled this week for puppy kindergarten, so he starts his obedience training in a couple of weeks, so we're looking forward to that. And his first vet appointment's coming up soon, so we'll bring you along for that as well. A couple other things that we decided on this week. We've been contemplating what we're going to do about a garden this year because we are, as I mentioned before many times, we're completely taking apart our current garden and setting up a whole new garden system out there. So we wanted to grow something this year. So after some research, we decided we're going to do some straw bale gardening this year. So I'm in the process of trying to find a supplier for straw bales for us at a reasonable cost. So I've been working on that this week. And yeah. And we got a new pool for the ducks, so that's another thing that we had to do. That was hard to find this time of year, but our local hardware store actually had one for pretty reasonably. So we have a new pool for the ducks, get them ready to go for the spring, and just our normal everyday things that we do that need to be done to keep the homestead going. Goofball. He is the cutest little guy. And he's such a cuddler too. So anyway, like I said, for most of this week, besides our regular work and here at the homestead and our regular work outside the homestead, he's been mostly what's been up this week, and he's probably going to be what's up for several weeks to come. So we will take you along for our adventures and his adventures. And we'll see you next time on the homestead. Oh, and I want to remind you to hit the like button and subscribe so you get all the notifications for our upcoming videos. And hit the bell. That will tell you when we do have a new video posted. And then we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So we'll see you around.